I will show you how to create a picture-in-picture crop effect. To begin, add 2 clips to your timeline. The top layer will be the video to crop, and the bottom layer will serve as the main background. Next, go to Effects and search for Circle to add this effect to the top video clip. In the Effect controls, change the circle blending mode to Stencil Alpha. Increase the radius of the circle, then click on the blue crosshair in the preview window to drag the circle to the object you want to crop. To move the circular crop, simply click Motion in Effect Controls and drag the circle in the preview screen to adjust its position. To add a colored border, go to Effects and add the Paint Bucket effect to the top clip. In Effect Controls, change the Fill selector to Alpha Channel. Then change Stroke to Stroke. Now you can modify the stroke color and thickness. With this technique, you can create a customizable picture-in-picture effect with a circular crop and colored outline. Adjust the circle size and position to highlight your desired focal point in the frame.